I've talked a lot with the PMEC exhibitors. One of them speaks Japanese. I was shocked. Please make sure, stay with me, and don't miss it.
Very looking forward to you guys come to our booth. Konnichiwa. Watashi wa Gokyōsei desu.
You're brilliant.
Welcome to Shanghai.
Okay, I've got your big friends.
Welcome to Shanghai and welcome to our booth.
Here.
Welcome to the Beijing Huan to visit our booth.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Wow.
And we are the manufacturer of welcome to booth and
Yeah.
welcome to our group.
Say welcome.
Welcome to our booth. We are.
Hi, good morning, Miss.
Hi, good morning.
How are you doing this morning, Miss?
Very good.
Yeah, you're pretty. Where are you from in China?
We are from Jilin.
Jilin province.
Yes.
Okay, Miss, how many languages do you speak?
I speak English and Chinese.
Okay,
Languages.
2 languages.
Yes.
Say something to the international visitors.
We're very looking forward to you guys come to our booth and have a cooperation with us.
Yeah, I've got your business card, your name card.
Yes.
Your name is Lulu.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is... Okay, Gmail. And your cell phone number too.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Lulu.
You're very
Have a good
welcome.
day
Thank
in
you.
Shanghai. Thank you. Hi, good morning, Miss.
Good morning, sir.
How are you doing this morning, Miss?
Great.
Where are you from in China?
Our main office is in Fuyang factory.
Fuyang?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
In Henan province. And also we have other 4 factories allocated in 5 different cities of China.
Miss, how many languages do you speak?
Actually, English, Chinese, and a little bit Japanese.
Okay, say something to the international friends in Japanese.
Okay. Konnichiwa. Watashi wa Gokyōsei desu.
You're brilliant. You can speak so many languages. I've got your business card. This is your business card, right? Miss Wu, sales director. Everything is clear. Thank you very much, Miss Wu. Have a great day in Shanghai. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome you.
Okay.
Have visits on our booth.
Great. Hi, good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
How are you doing this morning?
Now we are in our booth.
Okay,
Yes.
everything's fine. Where are you from in China?
Our factory is from in Jiangsu Wuxi, and now we have another factory in Anhui Lu'an.
Lu'an.
Yes.
How many languages do you speak, Miss?
2 languages. One is Chinese and another one is English.
Say something to the international visitors.
Welcome to booth and we
Yeah,
teach our products. Now
Yeah.
we have the field hydrate, air field, and the clean bridge.
It's a big booth. I've got your business card, your name card, Wendy. Your English name is Wendy.
Yes.
Yeah. Your email. I think your email is okay. Your cell phone number, your email. Everything's crystal clear. Thank you very much, Wendy. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Hi, good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
How are you doing this morning?
I'm fine.
Where are you from?
I'm from Shanghai.
Okay, your company comes from Shanghai. How many languages do you speak, Miss?
2.
Okay, say something to the international friends.
Yes.
Welcome to Shanghai.
Welcome to Shanghai.
Okay, I've got your business card.
Yes.
Okay, this is
my business card.
yeah, your business card is crystal clear. Lu Congke, sales manager. Okay, thank you, Miss Lu. Have a good day here. Thank you. Hi, good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
How are you doing this morning?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from in China?
Foshan City.
Foshan in Guangdong province.
Yes.
Okay, how many languages do you speak, Miss?
2.
English and Mandarin. Say something to the international visitors for this fair.
Yes. Welcome to our group.
Yeah, I've got your business card. This is your business card, right?
Yes, we focus on the clean room materials. We are the one-stop clean room system manufacturer.
Mm-hmm.
Nowadays, we have 8 factories around the world. 8 factories.
8 factories around the world. Perfect.
Yes.
Yeah, your information is pretty clear. Thank you very much and have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, good morning, Miss.
Hi, good morning.
How are you doing this morning?
We are clean room manufacturer and exporter. Clean room lighting manufacturer and exporter.
Okay, where are you from in China?
Shenzhen.
Shenzhen.
Yes.
How many languages do you speak, Miss?
2 languages, English and Chinese.
Okay, say something to the international visitors.
Welcome to our booth. We are clean room lighting. I will waiting for you.
Okay, I've got your business card. This is your business card, Miss Xie.
Yes. My name
Ah,
is
ha-
Haruko.
Haruko Xie. Can you speak Japanese? Okay, this is.
Konnichiwa. Simple Chinese.
Okay.
Simple Japanese.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Xie. Have a good
You're
day.
welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How are you doing this morning, sir?
Fine.
Where are you from in China?
Shandong Province.
Shandong province. Which city?
Zibo.
Zibo. Sir, how many languages do you speak?
Maybe 3 to 4.
Japanese? English?
Yes.
Wow, Mandarin.
Yeah, Mandarin.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, say something to the international friends in Japanese.
Okay. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Wow, that's great. I've got your business card. Your English name is Frank.
Yes.
This is your business card. Frank Ken. Okay, everything's crystal clear. Thank you very much, Frank. Have a good day. Thank you. Hi, good morning, Miss.
Hi, good morning.
How are you doing this morning?
Good, and you?
Pretty good. Where are you from in China?
In Shandong province.
So your company is located in Shandong.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, how many languages do you speak?
I get 2.
What are they? Mandarin and English.
Yeah.
Say something to the international friends.
Welcome to Shanghai and welcome to our booth.
Okay, your English name is Daisy. I've got your business card. This is your business card.
Yeah, sure.
The email,
Yeah, my
the cell phone number. Okay, everything's clear. Daisy, have a good day in Shanghai. Thank you very much, Daisy.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Hi, good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
How are you doing this morning?
Yeah, it's good.
Pretty good. Uh-huh.
And we are the manufacturer of disposable clean room towels, and we can offer all kinds of grade from ISO 5 to ISO 8. And this is our brand. Welcome to our booth. Our booth number is N4E08.
Mm-hmm.
We are waiting here for you.
Yeah, your English is pretty good.
Thank
So
you.
I've got your business card.
Uh-huh.
This is your business card, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, it's crystal clear. Thank you very much and have a good day in Shanghai. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
How are you doing this morning?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where do you come from?
From Xiazhuang City.
Xiazhuang in Hebei.
Yeah,
How many languages do you speak?
only 2, Chinese and English.
Say something to the international visitors for this fair.
Welcome to Hebei Jinhuan to visit our booth N5
Yeah.
and A.
Pretty good. I've got your name card. Your English name is Lois, right?
Yes, it's my name.
So this is your business card. Yeah, it's crystal clear. Thank you very much, Lois. Have a good day in Shanghai. Thank you. Hi, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How are you doing this morning, sir?
I'm fine. How are you?
We're pretty good. Where are you from?
I'm from Shandong, China.
Shandong province.
Yeah. We are printing package factory.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many languages do you speak?
So far, I can speak 2, Chinese and English.
Okay, say something to the international friends and visitors.
I want to say welcome all of the global the visitors come here, and we want to show them the most professional the package, the printing product. And our company name is Shandong Hanhai Printing Package
Okay.
Corporation Limited.
Sir, I've got your business card.
Yeah.
You're Mr. Ma, right?
Yeah.
This is your business card,
This is my name card.
your name card. Everything's crystal clear. Thank you very much. Have a good day here.
Yeah,
Thank you.
have a good day,
Yeah,
yeah.
great.